Attention! USA government declares an emergency situation. Stay where you are and await further instructions. Please listen to the instructions so as not to put your life in danger. You should close all windows and doors, close the ventilation, stock up on food and water, use antiseptic, do not drink water that is not boiled, do not come into contact with infected people, as much as you can, reduce the number of times you go outside. How to determine if a person is infected? The victim should have darkening of the sclera in the eyes, appearance of a large number of painful black blotches on the patient's skin, temperature between 38.5 degrees and 41.5 degrees, vomiting blood, bleeding and coughing, diarrhea, severe pain in the abdomen, severe pain in the intestines, infrequent cough, severe headache, hallucinations, voices in the head. Unfortunately, if you are unlucky enough to get infected, you should do the following to make the period of illness easier. You should put the person in quarantine, do not contact anyone who is infected under any circumstances, give the infected person indoors a minimal amount of food and water and any sleeping pills.